Hello friends, welcome you all. So today in this video I'll discuss about for each loop. For using for each loop, the precondition is that we should have a group of data that already exists. Then only we can use for each loop. Here I have already taken two examples for the group of data. Let's work one by one, and let's say that over here the first is integer type data. So I'll put it over here so that it will be clear to understand. So here you can see that is a int array holding int values in this variable numbers. So let's see how to work with these numbers by using for each loop. So for each loop will look like exactly the for loop. It will have parenthesis and the curly braces. Inside this curly braces we need to tell the for each loop that what work we want to take from this for each loop, and inside this parenthesis we need to separate two things by using colon. And after the column, the data where we are working on, okay, okay, where we are working on like this numbers, this numbers we need to put here because we will work on these numbers variable. And before this number variable holding the values int type, that's why before the colon we need to mention that we are working on int, and we can give a variable name over here to this int. Let's say this is n. Then what work we want to do from this for each loop, that we need to mention in this curly braces. Let's say sysO and control and space bar. In this sysO we need to give this variable name here so that we can take the printout of each item that is present in this int array. So let's save the code and execute it and see the console. You can see the console and each and every item get print out. These all items are present in the console now by using for each loop in a very simple and clear way. So other than int array type, we have one more example, that is string array. Let's see how the string array will work on. Let's comment it out and take our string array data type over here. Let's take it down from here so that it will be easy and clear to understand. So this string array we have here, and this string array is names holding the string values like John, Maria, Mona, James. So now what changes we need to do in our for each loop? Instead of this numbers, now I will use names here. And instead of int, because these values are not integers, these are strings. So instead of int, I'll be putting string data type here. And instead of this variable name n, we can use names, or we still can use name n also. Let's see, if I say n, then it can work, but we can change this. It is not like a hardened code, hardened fast, that we will use only n over here. We can use any variable name. The make sure that whatever changes you're going to make here, you need to make the same changes here too. So let's save this and execute our code and see what it will give in the print in console this time. So you see it is giving us all the names that we put in this string array. So that's how the for each loop works, and it is very simple to understand. I try to make it as simple as possible. I think I hope you guys will like this video, and thank you for watching my video. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you very much guys. Take care.